In today's price prediction video, we're looking at none other than Binance Coin, ticker BNB, which has had an absolute tear of a run these last few weeks and these last few months. It's been quite a year, 2021, for Binance Coin, for the Binance ecosystem, and certainly for the exchange as well. It's been very healthy all around. At the time of this recording, the price of BNB is up over 11% on the day, sitting at $583.45. That, however, is still off its recent-ish all-time high of $610.06. That was set 9 days ago at the time of this recording. As you guys know, none of this is financial advice, but we are endeavoring to provide you guys with technical analysis for your favorite projects. As such, we're going to be basing today's video on this piece here by Pratik from a few days ago on the 19th of April, actually just a couple of days ago, BNB Price Prediction. And as a tip here, you can always check out our website, altcoinbuzz.io. Head on over to the review section here, hover over that, and then click on technical analysis. That'll bring you to a whole series of technical analysis, price prediction, chart analysis, price analysis, article pieces that you can peruse here at your leisure. Some of these have been converted into video formats, some of them haven't, but as you can see, there's a whole repository here of information for you to check out. So once again, none of this is financial advice. With that, let's launch into the reasons why we love BNB and why we are bullish on its future. So Binance Coin is definitely one of the most talked about exchange tokens, and it's being considered as a big competition really to take the second place, right? That second place ranking from Ethereum in terms of market cap. That's not going to happen today or tomorrow, but the potential is there. And then on the evening of the 17th of April, that was a Saturday night, into the morning of the 18th, into Sunday morning, yes, we saw a horrific drop, a precipitous market crash really across not only Bitcoin, but just about every altcoin. That's because Bitcoin itself fell by approximately 20%. And BNB was a coin which suffered actually a lesser percentage drop compared to other coins, which in itself is kind of a positive indicator. BNB is undoubtedly one of the most interesting and most discussed coins amongst all the exchange coins. So others, for example, like KCS, like OKB, like the Huobi token. Ever since the deployment of Binance Smart Chain, BNB's price has really exploded. That has been the game changer. It really is considered as a first-tier competitor to Ethereum now, and the number of transactions on BSC, Binance Smart Chain, has already surpassed the number of transactions on Ethereum. We also have the variable of BNB's burning to consider. Every quarter, Binance burns BNB tokens. In this quarter, for example, 1,099,088 tokens were burnt, whose collective value at the time of burning was approximately $600 million. This was the biggest burn in the history of Binance. And with BNB, you have price drops and price rises. So when Bitcoin fell just a couple of days ago, almost all of the altcoins fell along with it. And more generally, during times like these, coins that drop the lowest indicate that there's a very high buying pressure supporting them to go back up. And BNB is one such coin. It recovered relatively quickly and it has bounced back. As we saw a moment ago, it's really knocking on the door of its previous all-time high. All right, with that fanfare out of the way, let's discuss a BNB USD price prediction with some context here referring to the symmetrical triangle which BNB broke out of. So this is a pretty typical pattern. Whenever there is a breakout of an asset from a symmetrical triangle pattern, a bullish continuation typically follows, and we observed just that. There was a similar structure that BNB broke out of, which accounted for BNB's rally from about $240 all the way north of $600. And now with some consideration to Fibonacci analysis, BNB is currently trading above the support zone of $530, which is a good sign. As long as BNB stays above this support zone, we could very well start seeing a move towards $589. We're nearly there at the time of this recording, and then a new all-time high in the $637 range. If we can successfully get past a $637 resistance point, we could very well start seeing a move towards the upper targets price at $686, $755, $843, and $1,097. However, if we dip further down, failure to hold support at $530 could lead to a drop toward $489 and $431. Like I said, guys, it's all a matter of time, right? $1,000 BNB is ultimately, in my opinion, inevitable, but these are kind of the milestones. These are the checkpoints that will get us there. Let us know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Once again, and as you guys know, none of this is financial advice. We're simply expressing our own enthusiasm and perhaps expectations for the price of BNB, but we're not encouraging you, nor are we coercing you to invest. Do with this information what you will. You guys are also very welcome to join us in our Trade Signals Telegram group. That's where you can join a more informed collective discussion about technical analysis, price prediction, TA, quantitative analysis, generally speaking, although as with this video, that's also not financial advice, but you're very welcome to join that discussion. I always pin it to the top of the comments section. So best of luck, guys. If you do choose to invest, stay safe. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.